Hey, it's Luxury Travel Dogs here, and we are on our cycling tour of the national parks of southern Arizona. And last night we stayed in the town of Tubac, and today we've cycled about 25 miles throughout some of the scenery that you see here right now. And currently you're looking at the U.S. National Park called Tumacacori. And what this is a park that was established from a mission that was established here in the late 17th century by the Jesuits. And later this mission was taken over by the Franciscans and actually was part of the expansion of New Spain into the southern and western parts of what is now the United States. What you're looking at here is Tumacocori's Franciscan church that was built in the early 19th century and ultimately was abandoned in the mid-19th century due to significant perhaps changes in weather, also Apache raids that were in the area. This is an absolutely beautiful area of the United States. You're looking at some of the mountains that we have been cycling around, not over, but around during this trip that we've been taking. We've seen all kinds of wildlife here, including road runners, some antelope, and also this morning just in the parking lot after breakfast we were able to see a bird that's called a vermilion flycatcher, and it's the first time I've ever seen one of those, and really was a thrill to be able to see that. So we've really had a wonderful time cycling the national parks of the southern part of Arizona, and always remember to make meaningful and healthy travel happen for yourself. And thanks again for joining us from Tubac, Arizona.
Vamos a escaparnos juntos, nadie nos encontrará. Cogemos el cochecito y a dónde iremos a parar. Que te quiero yo, te camelo yo, que te quiero niña, ay de corazón. Mi fantasía es algo excepcional, un don que me ha dado Dios, nadie me lo puede robar.